Hello everybody. Today we have again the same exercise, third B, and we have question here, fifth C. Question number 5th C, and what is the question? Question is P is equal to A upon A plus B. P is equal to A upon A plus B. And what we have to make, what is asked in the question? Make A the subject. This A we have to make subject. Here we have A, that we have to make subject. Now the question comes, at present what is subject? At present this is the subject. P is the subject in this given formula or in this given equation. Okay. Now first we try to understand what is this subject. So subject is a variable. It is a variable. So subject is a variable whose relation with other variables is given to us. So P is a variable here and its relation is given with A and B. So what we have subject here? P. And what we have to make? This A we have to make subject. So we have to change this formula such a way that A becomes subject. So let us see how to do it. So first what we have to do? A plus B cross multiply in P. So let us see. P multiplied in A plus B and is equal to A. Why it is A here? Because 1 is understood here and 1 into A is multiplied. So what is the result? A. Now first step over. Now P we have to take inside the bracket. So P into A, PA plus P into B, PB is equal to A. Clear? Now PA plus PB is equal to A. A plus B we have to cross multiply with P. So P is multiplied in both the variables A and B. So we will write it this way. P bracket A plus B is equal to A. Why A is written here? Because 1 is here. So 1 into A, A. Now P we take inside. So P into A, PA plus P into B, PB is equal to 1. Now what is our question? Our question is you have to make subject A. Now we see we have two A's. One A is present here left side and one is right side. So this A and this A should be together, means at one side only. So this A we will shift this side. So PA, and you know that when we change the side, when we transpose it, the sign of this term gets changed. So this A becomes here, so minus A. Since it is a positive here, so it becomes minus here. And at the same time, this PB we will shift to this side. So A moves here and PB moves this side. So A is positive here, A moves here, minus A, and this PB is positive here, it moves that side, so it is minus PB. Clear? Now at two places we have A. So we have to make subject A, so we need only one A. We don't need two A. So A and A, two places we have A here. We have to change such a way that we get only one A. So how to do it? We will take A common. So A common when we take, so what is left here? P minus A is common here. So 1 is left over here and here minus PB. Clear? Now A, you see, now here we had two places, now we have only one A. This is. Now since we have to make subject A, so the rest part of this A, means the A is connected with P minus 1, we have to remove from here. So since this A and P minus 1 is connected with which operation? This is multiplication here. So we have to change this P minus 1, we have to remove P minus 1 from here. So it will go as a division. So A is equal to minus PB upon P minus 1. Clear? Now we avoid negative sign at the beginning. So what to do? To remove this minus sign, what we have to do? We take minus common from this denominator. So minus PB and minus we take common. So as we take minus common, the sign of this P and 1 both gets changed. So P is positive here, it becomes negative, and 1 is negative here, it becomes positive. So first what we write? This 1. Since it is negative here, it becomes positive, and P is positive here, it becomes negative. Now we can cancel this minus and minus. So A is equal to P B upon 1 minus P. So this is the solution of this question. Now we can see A is now subject here. So A is equal to PB upon 1 minus P. Clear? Okay. Now the next question what we have? 6A. Question number 6A. The question is T is equal to 2 pi square root L upon G. Capital T. T is equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G. Now what we have to make subject here? We have to make L as the subject. L we have to make subject. And you can see where is L. L lies under the square root sign. Where is L? L is here under the square root sign. And this L we have to make subject. So first what do we have to make this L out from the square root sign, or anyhow we have to remove square root sign. Okay, so first step, this 2 pi we will remove from here. So 2 pi as we remove, it becomes T upon 2 pi, this 2 pi as a divisor here. So T upon 2 pi is equal to square root of L upon G. So T upon 2 pi is equal to root L upon G. Now still the square root is here, so we have to remove this square root sign. So how to remove this square root sign? As you all know it, by squaring both the side. If we square both the side, this square root sign gets over. Why? Because we know that if root x we make square, what it becomes? X. If root 3 is there and we make square, so what is it? It is 3. Okay. So next step is squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So when we square both the sides, so T upon 2 pi square, and here square root L upon G, and then square. Okay, so squaring both the side, we have squaring both the side. Okay, now as we make square, so this square is for T also and as well as for 2 pi also. So when we solve it, it becomes T square upon 4, 2 square is 4, and pi square will be pi square is equal to, and here you know that the square root sign will get over. So what is left here? L upon G. Now L is free. L is free. Before that L was inside the square root sign. Now you can see there is no square root sign. Now what we have to make subject? L. So L we have here. So we will make this G transfer here. So T square into G. T square into G up. T square into G upon 4 pi square is equal to L. So we got T square G upon 4 pi square is equal to L. So we can write such a way, this way also, L is equal to T square G, L is equal to T square G upon 4 pi square. Now we can see here L is the subject. Earlier what we had subject? T. Now solving this way, we will get L as the subject. So finally what we have, formula L is equal to T square G upon 4 pi square. Clear? Okay. So other questions we will see in the next video. Till then, take care, stay at home. Bye.